I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting a reproducible environment, install Python 3.11 or use the portable build, then check Python version. Once done, create a project folder and initialize a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Next, write a tiny main. Py that prints a quick status line and run it with Python main. Py to confirm execution. This proves the runtime works, avoids global conflicts, and gives immediate feedback so you can iterate fast. You now expand into reliable development practices. Install packages with pip and pin them in requirements. TXD or use pip tools for reproducible builds. Once dependencies are managed, structure your code into modules and use the ifname == main guard to separate runtime and import behavior. Make sure to add PyTest unit tests for core functions so refactors are safe, and integrate a linter and formatter like rough and black via pre-commit hooks. You finish by packaging for distribution. Create a pip project. Toml, build wheels, and verify local installs with pip install dist /*. WHL so consumers get a clean artifact. Then deploy to your chosen target, container, serverless, or VM, and automate with CI/CD to ensure repeatable releases. If something breaks, read the traceback carefully, reproduce the issue in a REPL, bisect commits to isolate regressions, and confirm dependency versions. This method quickly narrows root causes so you can fix with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.